Need to sign into your ChatGPT account. Logging in is quick and gives you access to your conversations, saved chats, projects, and AI tools across your devices. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log into ChatGPT in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official ChatGPT website, or launch the ChatGPT desktop or mobile app if you've already installed it. Make sure you're using the official ChatGPT app or website before signing in. Next, click the Login button to access the sign-in page. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken directly to your ChatGPT dashboard. Choose the same sign-in method you used when creating your account. You can sign in with your email address or continue with a supported account such as Google, Apple, or Microsoft. Using a different sign-in method may create a separate account instead of accessing your existing one. If prompted, complete any required verification steps, such as entering a verification code or approving your sign-in through your identity provider. Take a moment to complete the verification before continuing. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll see your ChatGPT dashboard, including your recent conversations, projects, and available tools. From here, you can start a new chat or continue previous conversations. If you can't sign in, double-check your email address, password, or selected sign-in method. If needed, use the password reset option or try signing in again after refreshing the page. So you've successfully learned how to log into ChatGPT, and that's how to log into ChatGPT. Once you're signed in, you can continue your conversations, explore new features, and use ChatGPT for writing, coding, learning, research, and much more. Keeping your login information secure will help protect your account while giving you quick access whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.